How to make text masking portrait effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing Instagram post 4:5, and after that I will go to text here, and here I will click on add a heading, and after that here I will write rethink. Okay, and as you can see the space is a lot more, so we have to arrange the space. So 0.84 looks good. Let's make it bigger, and after that just change the font to Leaks pattern. After that just increase slightly the text space. So 0.86 here looks good, and just decrease the letter spacing. Okay, so let's see if it is working fine or not. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will just make it bigger. Okay, and I will just increase the spacing between R and E. Okay, so like this, and after that I will use the image here. So I'll go to elements, and as you can see I have chosen the image of a classical Odissi dance. So it is free to use, as you can see, and it is also available in Pexels. And as you know that Pexels has a direct collab with Canva, so you can directly find the image in element section of Canva. So I will just arrange it here. Right click and go to layers, bring to front, and just make it bigger and resize it according to our requirement. And check if it is working fine or not. So this one looks good. Okay, so I will just increase the transparency, and after that I will just press Ctrl plus X in the keyboard and click on add page and just paste it here, and after that download both the pages. Click on share, click on download, and make sure you are downloading it as PNG, because it is primarily required to make the further effect. Okay, so make sure the setting is in PNG and download both the pages. So when the downloading is done, just re-upload the images in Canva. So you might be thinking that why I have downloaded this image also, because only this could have done our work. Yes, your point is also right, but as you can see the scaling is done here, which is not in the actual image. So to match the scaling, the download is required for the dancer image also. Okay, and after that I will just click on add page and add both the images. Okay, so after that I will just scroll down to find apps. Just type image blend here and click on blend image here. So for the bottom layer I will be choosing this dancer, and for the top layer I will choose this rethink. And make sure the blend mode is in screen and in no other mode, because as you can see there are many modes present here. So make sure it is in screen. Okay, and after that just click on add page and add this to design. Okay, so after that I will just make it to the same shape as the canvas, and I will just crop out the parts which are not required. Okay, and I will click on BG remover to remove the background of the text. And to make the image more highlighting or more focused, I will change the background color to black. Okay, so as you can see, the text is much more visible here, much more focused. And after that, I will just use this image, and that's why I have asked you to download the dancer image also, and I will set it to the same size, and I will just crop it. So crop it till here, okay, and click on BG remover because I want only the dancer part and not the background. Okay, and just duplicate it here, make it to the same size, and after that bring it here in the bottom and just crop it till here. Okay, and just zoom it to see if it is working fine or not. Okay, so I will just select in here and just make some changes so that it looks more promising and more highlighted, and the image is also crystal clear. So I will now unzoom it and our image is ready. So I hope you like this tutorial, and this is the way you can make a unique text masking typography effect in Canva. Hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.